is funding of our roads. Contracts are awarded, but there is no funding. As Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury, my job is to help the President get money to do development, to complete the development projects which have stalled. When you move across the country, all road projects have stalled. I am going to make sure that I help the President get resources to restart all the roads across the country, to pay all the pending bills of 166 billion for roads and have the contractors back on road. We have a challenge, we have a problem with insurance in the public transport. The day before yesterday, I had a team of leaders from the public transport sector in my office. They are struggling. There is no insurance company which has accepted to underwrite the insurance of the public transport because of indiscipline in the public transport. Matatu is chaotic. Boda boda, chaotic. Probox, sasa zaidi. First of all, public transport, we want discipline. There is a report, a task force, which was constituted by the Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury and Economic Planning, to investigate and find ways and solutions on how to underwrite public transport. There are a raft of recommendations, which I will liaise with my colleagues, especially in interior, transport, so that we can see how to bring discipline and order in the public transport the way the late John Michuki left public transport. Because we must have insurance. There is no way public transport can be without insurance.
Nyocha wasebedo piny mowinjore ni yo ma alwanda nyaka agolo otiekonwa. Nyocha wachako wuoyo mwawacho ni yo ma agolo nyaka Sindo otiekonwa. Wachako wuoyo mwawinjore ni yo ma namba Kodero nyaka Moro okelonwa contractor sama en ofisne. Gini tie mamoko mang'eny mabe wasewuoye nikech ok wadwar ni wagol winyi iro. Osebedo associated gi timbe maricho for long. To boda boda emondiko ji tich molo kambi mora mora mwango mwalo ka. Koro miyo ka ubedo piny ma unyalo wacho ni uchako 2010 nyaka sani. Adwa wacho ni komiti maru ma ungo ka giriwruoku en gima nyaka wariwre mondo wakonyu mondo jomoko obed gi nyiero. Wakao thuolo mondo warwaku kendo wagon niero kamano. Ginyinga iluonga ni Julio Chanda.
That this place is very safe. You and your entourage are all in safe hands.
Yes.
Mano Secretary Ma Richard Nyangoko and address the gathering, but before he comes, Mheshimiwa Honorable Tomo Dege, allow me to ask one thing. We are asking Aliwa Nika. Hey, Aliwa, come. A school child just in front of this gate. We are asking if we can get bumps, if you can liaise with the roads people to get us some bumps so that our children may be safe